Is investing in the India First Life Guaranteed Retirement Plan the secure path to retirement, or just another product that promises more than it delivers? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decisions to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a participating non-linked individual pension savings plan. So, some of the key features of the policy are: you get to enjoy guaranteed additions of 9% on the total premiums paid during the first 2, 4, or 6 policy years based on your chosen premium payment term. And also, you get to build a larger retirement corpus by saving for up to 40 years under this policy. And you also start your retirement planning journey at any age. There is no age barrier to begin. And you get to choose from single, limited, or regular premium payment options to match your cash flow. And you get to avail potential tax benefits on premiums paid and payouts received as per the prevailing tax laws. And there are benefits like death benefit and vesting, which is the maturity benefit. So this will differ based on the plan options you have opted for. And if you want to know more about the aspects of this policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure. Now let us take a look at the advantages. So you get a high sum assured discount of 1% on regular or limited premiums when the sum assured is 10 lakhs or more, and you can avail loans of up to 80% of the available surrender value, offering financial flexibility when needed. However, the disadvantages are: at the end of the policy term, the benefits vest, but the full amount is not immediately accessible for disbursement. And also, the life cover, which is the sum assured offered under this plan, is relatively low, providing limited financial protection. So you need to consider all these drawbacks before deciding to invest in this policy. Now, as we have a basic understanding about this policy, let us now move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. So to help us make a more informed decision. So to calculate the internal rate of return, let us assume that a 35-year-old male pays an annual premium of 1,05,801 rupees for 10 years, with a policy term also of 10 years. So the sum assured is 25 lakhs. At the end of the India First Life policy term, the benefits vest, meaning the accumulated corpus must be used partially or fully to purchase an annuity. So here the assumed investment returns are 4 and 8% per annum. These are not upper or lower limits of what you might get back. These are just for example purpose. So the vesting benefit in the 4% scenario is 11.40 lakhs with an IRR of 1.36% as per the policy's maturity calculator. So in the 8% scenario, the vesting benefit is 13.20 lakhs with an IRR of 3.99% as per the policy's maturity calculator. These IRRs are notional as the plan mandates the purchase of an annuity, restricting how the corpus can be utilized. So the final income, which is the annuity payout, is not guaranteed under the plan and depends entirely on the annuity rates available at the time of vesting. These limitations and uncertainties reduce the attractiveness of the India First Life policy as a long-term retirement solution. So as this policy is not giving us the desirable outcome that we need, because one of the major drawback of this plan is the restriction on accessing your accumulated corpus, because it must be used to purchase an annuity. This can definitely severely impact your cash flow during retirement. So to overcome this limitation, we are going to consider an alternative approach using the same parameters as in the earlier example, but this time we separate insurance from investment and use the same premium and restructure it for a more efficient flow. So here, for life cover purpose, we have opted for a pure term life insurance policy with a sum assured of 25 lakhs, which cost us an annual premium of 7,800 rupees. With a policy term and premium payment period of 10 years, this leaves us with 98,001 rupees available for investment. So depending on your risk appetite, higher risk investors may prefer equity investments, while conservative investors could opt for debt. In this example, the funds are going to be invested in an equity mutual fund scheme. After 10 years, the equity mutual fund investment grows to a pre-tax value of 19.26 lakhs. After accounting for capital gains tax, the post-tax value is 18.23 lakhs. So this approach results in a post-tax internal rate of return IRR of 9.70%, which is significantly outperforming the India First policy. So if you want to know how the equity mutual fund tax is calculated, we do have a small tabular column presented on the screen for your easy reference, which you can pause and see. So this policy restricts how you can use your funds and ties your corpus to annuity purchase at uncertain rates. In contrast, the term insurance plus mutual fund route delivers superior returns and also offers complete flexibility, allowing you to access your funds freely when needed. The strategy not only builds a larger retirement corpus but also gives you control over your financial future. So what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the India First Life Guaranteed Retirement Plan worth it or not? So this is a savings cum investment product that falls short on flexibility. While it helps you accumulate a retirement corpus, the proceeds are not fully available at your discretion. As the plan mandates using the funds to purchase an annuity, it focuses solely on the accumulation phase with no built-in solution for the distribution phase, the annuity. Moreover, the final corpus is not guaranteed as it depends on bonuses declared by the insurer, and it also has a high agent commission. The annuity payouts too are based on the prevailing rates at the time of vesting, adding further uncertainty. In simple terms, neither the corpus nor the income stream is guaranteed, which can disrupt your cash flow during retirement. A secure post-retirement life requires a steady, inflation-adjusted income, something this plan does not offer. So to ensure financial security, opt for a pure term life insurance policy with an adequate sum assured to protect your family. Build a diversified investment portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance to grow your retirement corpus.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.